In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Wix domain to Hostinger quickly and efficiently. Connecting your domain correctly is a crucial step in ensuring that your website is accessible to your audience and looks professionally managed. So let's dive right in. The first step in this process is to head on over to the Hostinger website. Open your preferred web browser, type in Hostinger's official URL, and hit enter. Once you're on the Hostinger homepage, you'll need to log into your account. If you're already logged in, fantastic. Otherwise, enter your details and get started. Once you're in, you'll want to navigate to the domains section. This is your central hub for managing all the domain-related actions on Hostinger. Keep in mind that effectively managing your domains is key to maintaining control over your online presence. Now that you're in the domain section, the next thing you'll want to do is locate the domain you wish to connect to your Wix site. Simply find the domain and then copy it. This is incredibly important because you'll need this domain to make the connection with your Wix site. Be sure to double check it to prevent any typing errors later on. Let's move over to Wix now. Head over to your Wix dashboard. This is where the magic happens for your site's backend controls. Once you're on the dashboard, you need to click on Settings. The settings area will allow you to make various configurations, which are crucial for tailoring your website to your specific needs. In the settings page, look for the domains section. Adding your domain here is what essentially starts the linking process with Hostinger. Once you have your domain section up, it's time to paste the previously copied domain from Hostinger into the appropriate field. Again, double check for accuracy here. Even the slightest mistake can delay the process. Once you've pasted your domain, you'll see a prompt or a button that says, "Let's go." Click on that. This is your go-ahead to ensure Wix recognizes the domain you want to connect. After clicking "Let's go," another window will pop up, asking you to confirm that you own the domain. Simply click, "Yes, I own this domain." Confirming ownership is a security measure that helps protect your online property and user identity. Now, a quick word of caution and an essential final step. To finalize this connection, Wix might prompt you to upgrade your account if you're currently using their free plan. This is important if you wish to remove the Wix ads and have a custom domain for your site. Make sure to complete this upgrade if it applies to your situation. And there you have it. Your Wix domain should be successfully connected to Hostinger, aiding you